Dear student, now I give lecture on phase conversion of three-phase transformers. It's nothing but the Scott connection for three-phase to two-phase conversion. Scott connection means three-phase to two-phase also is there, and then three-phase to six-phase, 3-phase to 12-phase also is there. But in our syllabus, we only studied about the 3-phase to 2-phase conversion. So the phase conversion is nothing but the Scott connection only. What is the main reason for two-phase conversion in transformers? The first one is to give a power supply to an existing two-phase system from a three-phase power supply only. The second one reason is to supply two-phase furnace transformers from a three-phase source only. Mostly the Scott connection is used in the two-phase furnace, electric furnace only. And then in this case, that means the two-phase system can have 3-wire, 4-wire or 5-wire circuits also possible. And then the two-phase system is not a 2/3 of the three-phase system only. This is the main important points. And then the phase 2 neutral voltages are 90 degree out of phase with each other only. And then the another thing is the two-phase 4-wire circuits means two ungrounded single-phase circuits are electrically 90 degree out of phase with each other. But the two-phase 5-wire circuits, the 4-phase wires plus a neutral only. That is the 4-phase wires are 90 degree out of phase with each other only. So therefore the another name of Scott connection is Scott T connection. That is the T, the shape is nothing but T. Now you see the figure and all. So the diagram 1.30, you see capital RYB is the three-phase system, and then the Scott tap also is there. That is the 66.67. That is the 0.866 tap only. So therefore this side and all you can see T-set transformer and then main transformer. Two types of transformers we are using in the Scott connection. The safe of is nothing but the T only. That's why it's called as a Scott T connection. And then the main and teaser outputs are 90 degrees out of phase only. And then the main transformer and also the teaser transformers are not connected in parallel or in series. Okay. And then the main transformer and the teaser output are on separate core only. Okay. Now this is the Scott connection of, that means three-phase to two-phase conversion. Now we can go to the vector diagram and all. Here you see RYB, that is VL. So in this figure 1.31, I1T, I1M, I1M, I2T is there, I2M. So in this case what and all means three phase but two single phase load. Second side two single phase. I2M means secondary current for main transformer. I2T means secondary current for T-set transformer. I1T means primary current for T-set transformer. I1M is nothing but the primary current for main transformer only. But that the main winding that is the N1/2, that is the primary, that is divided into two equal windings only. So therefore the equal current I1, that means the primary current of the main transformer is divided, that is 2 only. So in this case the vector diagram you see, that means the T-set transformer and main transformer both are, I already told, 90 degree out of phase only. You see V2T and V2M 90 degree phase shift. The both current I2T and I2M that is in phase with the respective voltage only. So in this case the main transformer I told N1/2 means the main transformer primary winding consists of N1 turns but connected between the line Y and B of symmetrical three phase only. And then the VRY, VYB, VBR, that is equal to line voltage VL. And then the vector, the phasor diagram under RO is nothing but the, that is the VRO is the root 3 by 2 VL only. That is the 0.866. That is the Scott tap only. So now you see the equations and all. So in this case and all, you see the K is equal to, there is a transformation ratio for this Scott connection is equal to I1T divided by I2T only, that is N2 divided by N1 only. So in this case, so the I1T is equal to, you can substitute in this equation and then finally we are getting I1T is equal to 1.15 K into I2T only, because I2T into root 3 by 2 into N1 means, that is I already told the main transformer of the, that is the primary winding of the main transformer, that means is divided into the, that is the parts, that is root 3 by 2 N1 turns and all. That's why finally we are getting I1T is equal to 1.15 K into I2T. This is the first formula. Then second formula we have to calculate the current I1 M. This I1 M current only flowing through the Y phase and the B phase. I1 T current flowing through the R phase. So here I1 M is nothing but N2 divided by N1 into I2 M only. So N2 by N1 is nothing but a K. So therefore the first part of the main transformer secondary current, that is the I1 M is equal to K into I2 M only. Then next you can see, that is the another current in each half is equal to I1T divided by 2. Now you can see the diagram 1.32. You see capital RYB phase, 3 phase, and then the current. So the R phase is current I1T formula 1.15 K into I2T only, and then the Y and all. So therefore, so the Y phase and the B phase, the I1 current flowing, that is equal. So magnitude, that is the NB line and then NY line, both are I1 M, equal magnitude. And then similarly that means minus I1T divided by 2 only. That is the equally you can divide, that is the T-set transformer, that is the I1T divided by 2 only. That is, this is the vector diagram of, that means Scott connection. This is for, that is the particular connection only. So IR, IY, IB. I already told IR which current is flowing, I1T. That is the primary current of the T-set transformer. IY is nothing but what? That is the IYM minus, that is the I1T divided by 2. The 1 by 2 only we are written as a 0.5 only. So therefore the current. So IR, IY, IB is nothing but what? That means line current of the primary side only. That is the 3-phase system. These are the formula. So similarly in the secondary side and all, that is similarly IR is equal to I1T, IY, IB both are equal only. So therefore we can calculate root of I1 M squared plus 0.5 into I1T the whole squared only. So in this case you see the figure 1.33 is nothing but the for unity power factor and all, we can that is the here and all, the line Y and B are obtained vectorically, and then in this case and all you can see R, Y, B only. But in this case compared to the previous vector diagram and all, the IR current, that means lags behind R, that means by angle pi only. But the 180 degree, that means that is the phase shift for, that means R phase, Y phase and B phase only. So this is the, that is the for balanced load only. This is the a vector diagram of another one. Here and all lag. The before only is for unity power factor. Now you see this vector diagram. This is I2T and V2T. Both are in phase. This is the unity power factor. I2M, V2M, unity. Both are in phase only. But here and all you see this figure 1.33 and all. I2T lags behind the voltage V2T by an angle pi. Similarly, I2M also lags behind the voltage V2M by an angle degree V2M. So, therefore, this is the lagging power factor only. So, for lagging power factor, we can calculate the same formula, everything I1T, I2T, everything only. So, the difference is nothing but the IY equal to IB equal to that is 1.16 K I2 only. So, because of phase shift only. Now, you see 1.34 also. This is also lagging power factor. But compared to the previous one, the lagging angle, that is the phase angle between V2T and I2T. Similarly, I2M and V2M, that means reduces. So this is the another vector diagram of that means Scott connection only. So the lagging power factor as well as that means unity power factor, we can draw the Scott connection for this one only. So in the Scott connection and all, so what is the application means? So the loads of the modern building and office buildings are unbalanced now, we can use these type of connection only. The two-phase furnace and all, we can use this one only. So these are the applications of the Scott connection only.